That was a lady, everybody. She broke a string, so give a hand for Lady. This is Cecilia. She's pretty. She's pretty. Alright guys, this is my last one, and then Tim Reynolds and Tier 3's on. So see me outside after the show and we'll talk. Thanks very much for being an attentive audience. I really appreciate it. The crumpled bill still hangs in its case from the lady who looks so out of place. Cobblestone sings, a jolly beat stays gone, I'm only left with this song. So it seems you and I lay underneath the sky. Watch as I dream like clouds on the walk to roll us by. Twice I'm gonna break us down, make a young boy frown when they all break down. Twice I'm gonna break us down, make a young boy frown when they all break down. Plastic guys, plastic bags, they show you plastic lies. Twice I'm gonna break us down, make a young boy frown when they all break down. The Americans are mocked in the coldness of paper planes sail now on. Left this place cause I found fortune show I don't need nowhere to own. Every day and I lay underneath the sky. Watch as I dream like clouds on the walk to roll us by. Twice I'm gonna break us down, make a young boy frown when they all break down. Twice I'm gonna break us down, make a young boy frown when they all break down. Plastic guys, plastic bags, they throw you plastic lies. Twice I'm gonna break us down, make a young boy frown when they all break down. The plastic people now surround the plastic world that we found. You gotta find the trust, you know you all must change this world. You don't know nothing about this, yeah. Twice I'm gonna break us down, make a young boy frown when they all break down. Twice I'm gonna break us down, make a young boy frown when they all break down. Plastic guys, plastic bags, they show you plastic lies. Twice I'm gonna break us down, make a young boy frown when they all break down. Twice I'm gonna break us down, make a young boy frown when they all break down. Twice I'm gonna break us down, make a young boy frown when they all break down. Twice I'm gonna break us down, make a young boy frown. Whoa! Alright, now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing something. So get your best voices on because we're taping tonight. But I'll tell you what to sing. We're gonna start with the gentleman. Alright? Last time I played here for Tim, people helped me sing, so let's try to do that again. Alright, gentlemen, listen carefully. Does something gonna bring me down? Come on. Does something gonna bring me down? If everyone starts singing, it's all good. Does something gonna bring me down? Here we go, keep going, man. Does something gonna bring me down? A little more masculine. Does something gonna bring me down? Here we go, keep going. Does something gonna bring me down? Alright, keep that going while I explain to the women. Does something gonna bring me down? Good. Now ladies, are you with me, ladies? Alright, you're gonna go. Bring me down. 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 Little feminine, please. Bring me down. There you go. Now everybody, let's go. Hard. Here we go. Don't something gonna bring me down. Bring me down. Don't something gonna bring me down. Bring me down. There we go. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good night.